Welcome back to Your Average Investor. Today we're going over the challenge account. Now, the last week or so, I got hit with a nasty fever and was just totally delirious, so I got a little lucky here, I will admit, in that the position expired on the, I think it was the 13th that it expired. It expired on the 13th. Worthless because Children's Place surged on earnings, which was phenomenal for us. So you can see where we're sitting at now. Unfortunately, Big Lots did file for bankruptcy, so that was a appropriately position-sized risk that I took. It didn't end up panning out, so these are all just going to be basically worthless. I mean, I could sell this and recoup the $9 or whatever it's left, but at this point, I'm just going to let it go. And we're going to look at a couple of additional positions. So we've got about $1,100 to employ. We're still up over 10% on the challenge account so far. And going to see where things go from here. What I'm looking at right now is JMIA. JMIA, after having a massive run from down here to from 3 to up to 7, and then back down to 4, all the way up to 14, almost $15 I think it hit at peak. Came back down to 4, and now we're sitting just under $5 per share. And I think I'm going to put the whole account in JMIA. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to first start by buying 100 shares. So we got 100 shares here at 4.77. And next I want to sell both cash secured puts and covered calls for about 30 days out. So if I'm looking at the cash secured puts, we're sitting right around the 5 area, and I think there's an okay shot that this could just keep on pushing up above 5. As you can see, I mean, even as, let's see, when was it most recently above $5 a share? Let's pull this out to like 10 days. So back over here about 10 days ago, we were just up above $5 a share. And we're just kind of hovering down low now. So I might even sell I'm thinking about selling the put 5, collecting that, and because I mean that's going to cause me to break even at 4.4, which obviously we're above 4.4 right now. And then the put 4 just doesn't have quite enough premium on it for me. And on the covered call side, I'll probably sell these call 6s here. And I want to give myself some room for upside appreciation, right? So I want to see this move back up into the 5.5 range, and then go from there. So we're gonna, you know what? Maybe I just buy 2 lots. Nah, we'll stick to the plan. So here we're gonna go. It's about a 5% gain. We're gonna sell the 4s. Now yeah, we're gonna sell the 4s. So this is just a really incredibly safe cash secured put if we can get filled here at $20. And looks like it's not gonna fill right away. I'll see if I can get filled for 19. Still not getting filled there, so let's just move it to 18. Get that thing filled. So it's like a 4% gain in a month. Not too bad if we get that. Man, we have to go all the way down to 15. Maybe we can get for 17. There we go. We got filled at 17. So 17 bucks for that cash secured put. Again, this is how I'm looking at it, right? So it's a put 4. So I'm putting up $400. 17 into 400 is 4.25%. So I'm getting 4.25% over the course of 30 days if that expires worthless. That's a very good position for me to be in. And on the 5s, if I sell these 5s, I could probably split it here at the 40. And that would give me, $23 plus $40 there. So we're going to go 63 into, what did I put up? 477. So that gives me a 13% gain over the course of a month. Also quite good. I could also look at, like I said, the 6s. If I go all the way up to the 6s, gives me a whole extra $100 in price appreciation in case of a big rally. And I think that's what I'd rather do. So that would give me, say $115 into, 477. So that'd be a 24% gain, double my potential gain. Of course, if the price flatlines or if it goes down, I don't have nearly as much downside protection, but I'm going to go the covered call here. I'm going to see if I can get it filled at the 17 again. And if not, I'll just take it at the 15. That's fine by me. Or maybe I'll see if I can get cheeky and get 16. We'll eke $1 more out of it. Nope. All right. So we're going to go right at 15. So there's our new positions. We bought 100 shares of JMIA and then sold a covered call for the 6. This is both 31 days out. So sold a call 6 and then also sold a put 4. And the combination of that is, of course, bullish. This is both of these are bullish positions on JMIA. And we're sitting with a little bit of cash left just sitting there. If we wanted to enter something else, maybe we could. But for now, that's looking pretty good. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you next time.